And today we have another article of Anokhi by Maimuna Bhatt. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is beautifully wrapped in butter paper. It's a very pretty bright yellow color. It's not actually bright yellow, you can say it's mustard yellow. The fabric is Barocha. It's perfect for the summers. Beautifully embellished and very intricate embroidery. These are the sleeves and embellished with pearls. Pearls are really very, like, it's the trend of the year, and it makes a very beautiful mix of barocha and pearls. So these are the sleeves. Let's just have a look of the neckline. So this is the front of the shirt. You can have this on on your chest, and your bodice would be like an oval shape, studded with pearls, dabka, resham. So the bodice is really very good. It has a little butterfly. If you are looking for something in summers for evening wear, or you can have it as a semi-formal, this is the reference picture, how you can make it stitched. Otherwise, you can have your own idea as well.